I'm going to show you how to create flashcards in Anki. It's quick and easy, so let's get into it. So what you want to do is make sure that you've downloaded the Anki desktop version, and what you're going to do now is right at the bottom there's a few options. Here you want to click on import file. Now once you've clicked on import file, you'll get to see all the files within your device, your computer, and I'm going to select this one over here. I'm going to just say open, and from here it'll import the file and it'll give you what it says in your file. So over here it says term definition, here it all is, and you can choose a field separator. I'm going to leave it as a semicolon. You can also choose some different import options. So there's a note type. From basic all the way down, you can see that there's a few different options. You can choose which deck it is going into. If you only have one, that's fine. Existing notes, you're going to either update them, you're going to preserve them or duplicate them. And then also there's a match of your scope. So we're going to just leave this as is. And then you can also add tags in over here. And the field mapping, you can just see on the front, it is the term, and the back, it's the definition. And then you can add your tags in over here. We're going to go ahead right at the top, say import, give it a few seconds. And over here it says 6 notes found in file, and then you're going to go ahead and say show. It'll show you everything over here. You can see that these are all the details. You can see there's your cards, and you can now define all the details here again. If you just make this larger, you can see a bit better. But this is the front of your card on the right hand side, this is the back, and if you click on fields, you can change what those fields look like and what they say. You can also change the actual card options themselves, and there are a few other editing options. And there you go, you have now imported successfully and created flashcards.